Yeah, so key is off on my wife's Ford Escape. We went to Uhaul and had them put on a trailer hitch, and we asked them, you know, did you test the wiring to make sure it was right? And he said, yeah, we tested it, it's right. And I said, do you have an extra tester we could buy? And they said no. But as you can see right here, everything's energized when the car is off. It's just constantly. That ain't right. And it doesn't matter, left turn signal, right turn signal. Here, let me crank it. All right. So, tail lights still on. Headlights are on. Left turn signal. Left turn signal goes. No change here. It's just constant. That's wrong, it's not wired right. Right turn signal. Still three lights that aren't supposed to be on right now. It ain't wired right. Turn the lights totally off. Lights are off totally. Still get power. It's not wired up right.